Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys had a great weekend and a great Easter. Hopefully you had some normal Easter activities in your life, even though it may be different than what you normally would have done. And it was so fun parading through some of the neighborhoods yesterday. I loved getting to see some of you. Hopefully you saw me too and some of the other teachers. Just one way to connect, just like these videos. That's my goal with these videos, is to try to stay connected with you guys since I can't be standing in the room in front of you. Today in Language Arts, you are going to read a nonfiction article and then do one assignment. You have 3 choices and you get to pick one related to that article. I did ReadWorks this week instead of Newsela. I think a lot of you prefer ReadWorks. It gives you that audio option. So whichever way you choose to read it, whether you just read it on the screen or you choose to listen to it, you have some questions to answer and then an activity to do. And I kind of connected the topic to science. It's about bats and how there is a fungus that is affecting them. Even some bats here in Indiana. We are one of the states with the issue. If you do choose to listen to that article, I recommend doing one of 2 things. Either have the text in front of you and follow along with it as you listen, or get a blank piece of paper, can be anything, and doodle as you're listening, which we have done in the past, where it just kind of helps your brain stay focused on what you're listening to. You can draw pictures about what you're hearing or write words or thoughts or phrases. So if you choose to listen to it, do one of those 2 things to help stay focused on the article. And you have a choice board to work on, and we're going to review Greek and Latin roots with IXL this week. I also want you to work on specials. So STEM is optional. You don't have to do that one if you don't want to, but I want you to make it a goal of yours this week to get into do all 3 main specials: music, art, and PE. They miss you, and they want you to work in their classes too. So I would like you to set that as a goal. Speaking of goals, don't forget about AR. You can take AR tests during the normal school day hours on AR. I was checking progress this weekend. I think Ruthie is the closest, maybe with a 96% of her goal, thanks to a Harry Potter book. But a lot of you have taken tests too, even little half-point books on Get Epic. Every little bit helps. If you don't have a book to read, I've noticed that Epic is offering more chapter books than usual. They have some Diary of a Wimpy Kid books, I think, and some Big Nate books, and some others that maybe just take a few minutes to explore and see if there's a book that you could commit to read and take an AR test on. I thinking of what else I wanted to share with you. We're going to Zoom whole group 6th grade. I didn't have too many people in either class last week, so I thought we could go ahead and just do it together. Wednesday, 1 o'clock. I'll put the link and the password in the slideshow for the week. We're going to do 2 things. One, I want you to share the one thing that the coronavirus has canceled that has made you the saddest or the maddest. Whether it was an event or a show or a practice or a game or a season or school or whatever. Share the one thing that you are most upset about. And then we're going to do another scavenger hunt, similar to what we did that very first Zoom if you joined us, with a few differences. So I hope to see you all there on Wednesday at 1 o'clock. So I think that is all you need to know for me for Tuesday. I hope that you make it a great day, and message me if you need help with anything on language arts or science. Message Mr. Rankin for math or social studies, and get on those specials classes this week. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.